Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to set print area in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In first step, highlight the area that you want to print. From the tab menu, click on Page Layout, Print Area, select Set Print Area option, move to View tab, Page Break Preview. Now the print area is selected. This blue line denoted our print area. Now if you want to exclude a column or a row from print area, put the cursor here. Now our print area is here and this column is excluded. Let us set orientation. Click on Page Layout, Orientation. You can choose your option, Portrait or Landscape. I'm going to choose Landscape. If you want to print, click on File, Print. This is our print preview, exactly that we set it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.